Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable FPS meter in any Android device. So for this guys, first of all, you have to go to Play Store. By chance, if your phone doesn't have this as default feature, so we are using third-party application guys. Just search for Shizuku and install this application. Okay, after that guys, we have another application. So install this application too, Taco Stats. Now, all you guys have to do, just go to your mobile phone setting to enable developer option. Step build number 7 times to become a developer. Have to enter the code here. Okay, now go back guys and go to developer option. So in developer option, we have the option of wireless debugging. Just enable this feature guys, and that's it. Okay, now all you guys have to do, just go back again to the application which we downloaded, Shizuku. So just tap to pairing option, allow the notification guys, and again go back. Now after that, just go to developer option, and here comes to wireless debugging. So we have two options, pair device with QR code and pair device with pairing code. So just tap to pairing code, as this is a pairing code. So 602554. Just enter this code here. 6. So as you see, pairing is successful. Now just go back again guys and click to start. So as you see, it's now start. Okay guys, now it's all done. All you guys have to do, just go to the Taco Stats application and now click to start here. Allow the permission guys, and that's it. As you guys see, the FPS is now start working. Guys, we can also customize it by here. Like we can overlay, you can customize it, like we can change the color, we can change the temperature, we can change the font size from here, we can change the text color like this. Select, we can change the background too, right? We can remove it, or we can change the background color from here guys, like if you want this color. So that's how guys we can enable FPS meter in any Android device. So that's it about the video. If this video helped you guys, kindly like the video and follow us for more tips and tricks. See you guys in next video. Take care.